In my house, everybody loves soup, so every week I try to have 1 or 2 batches of soup that's cooked and ready for lunches that contain some protein, that are really flavorful, and that everybody will love. So I've been craving lentils lately, so I tried to make this super easy flavorful soup. All you need is some carrots, some celery, some onion and garlic, some Herbamare broth in cubes, and then the Herbaterra spices such as the thyme and the rosemary, and of course the Herbamare sea salt. So all the flavors are coming from the spices that I put inside the soup, because it's so simple to make. As you can see, I added some olive oil, the vegetables and pepper, and then added the lentils, all the spices. And you just want to give it a mix, let it cook for about 35-40 minutes, and then you're ready to serve. It's super easy. I hope you guys enjoyed it. You can see my little Luana was really eager to try it out, and she loved it. That's a win. Have a good day, guys.